The short answer is that there are no profitable short films. As a significant achievement, you will return your investment. Let's discuss today 3 ways in which it's theoretically possible to earn money with a short independent film. For the 10 shorts I've personally produced and distributed, for me really worked only one way, which I will tell you a bit later on this video. And if you are new here, my name is Sergey Pudic, and on this channel I'm sharing my decade experience in directing and independent filmmaking. The first way to earn money with a short is to sign a contract with a distribution company that will sell your movie to all TV channels and internet platforms worldwide, also including airplanes, trains and tourist spaceships. And this is a theory. Now reality. I have signed 2 contracts for my 2 shorts and have not seen a penny. One company reported to me several times that they sold it to TV stations, but according to our contract they had $800 marketing expenses for the movie. So only after that we will start to split our profit for 80 to 20. As you understood, in the documents that were reported to me, the profit never exceed $800. I heard on many forums and groups this is absolutely typical situation. In report they never earn more than a threshold. How do you check? Another company, my second contract, they didn't even send me a report, even so that movie was on many video platforms, including Amazon Prime. They only answered me with excuses that they would do it after the film marking they attend, then they have sick assistant, then somebody died in the office, then somebody had COVID in the office, and then they will do it on Monday, next Monday, which happens already 3 years the next Monday. And for me, it would cost more money to hire a lawyer than even theoretically return that couple hundreds bucks that they may earn, and it's possible to prove that they earned it. I didn't hear from any short film producers that they got some money back on such distribution.
Never heard of it.
If you have an exceptional film that won Sundance, Cannes or an Oscar, you can earn something with this kind of distribution. But it won't be, first of all, amount of cash.
Lots of gifts, lots of cash.
And second of all, if you won Sundance, Cannes or Oscar, it's probably not independent movie, but a pretty high budget short movie. And even what you will earn, it's a very small amount compared to the budget you spent on the movie.
Invest?
Okay, let's say you decide to avoid distribution companies and put your film on platforms like Netflix, Amazon or so by yourself. First of all, you won't succeed, and second, even if you succeed, let's say, you will earn almost nothing unless you're pretty famous, like Wes Anderson and his shorts on Netflix. Streaming pays pennies and not interested in shorts. Another way to earn money is through Vimeo's on demand, which viewers must pay to watch. This model can work if you have an army of fans and subscribers. By the way, subscribe to my channel if you watch. Like your lead actress is a multi-million influencer. Otherwise, your family and friends will buy your shorts in the best case scenario, and you will spend more money on champagne to celebrate it than you earned from the movie. Continuing the topic of online platforms, YouTube as a way to profit from your movie can work, but only if you have a filmmaker channel with tons of followers, or you develop it. You will make a short and then out of it you take 10 episodes during the production process of your movie, then publish the film and monetize viewing. But again, I don't see this as a business model, more likely like artwork and promoting your channel. And coming to the only way that worked for me is cash prizes from film festivals. This is the only way to return your money back and maybe earn something on top. It depends on the quality of your movie and how much you spend on it. I spent $2,000 on production for my the Barber movie, you can watch it here, and probably the same for film festival distribution. So, by winning the Yubari Film Festival in Japan, I received a $2,000 grant for my next short. So, it's kinda cover back production cost.
Math, 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 math.
A friend of mine spent $7,000 on his cool short, and he told me that it was recovered by film festival prizes. Nothing else. To follow this strategy, you must make a movie with a solid social topic and good cinematography, and apply it mainly to festivals with cash prizes. This is the way.
This is the way.
What do you think about the distribution of short films? Did you earn some money with it, or at least get cash back? Let's chat about it in the comments below, and don't forget to put like button and subscribe. See you next week.